Lesson 2, Year 11, Metals and Acids. Now in these test tubes I've got a variety of metals. In the first tube I've got pieces of zinc. In the next tube I've got magnesium, which looks like a strip like that. Then I've got copper. Then I've got iron filings, tiny little bits of iron filings. So I've got 4 test tubes here with those metals in. Into those test tubes I am going to add hydrochloric acid, 10 centimetre cubed. I'm going to use a pipette rather than a measuring cylinder just to speed up the process. And what I'm going to do is we're going to look at what happens in the tube. So first of all, if we start with zinc, I add hydrochloric acid to zinc. Now if it fizzes, I'm going to hold my thumb over the top, and you can see that it is starting to fizz because it reacts with the acid. And I put my thumb over the top like that just to collect any gas that's being made. I've got a Bunsen burner set up out of shot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the tube back into the test tube rack, come over with my splint, hold it above, nothing happens, but it is fizzing. So observations, fizzes, but no pop. And I'll come back and explain what I mean by that in a minute. The next one we're going to look at is copper, and I'm going to put again acid into the tube of copper. Look at the reaction. No reaction, excuse me, no reaction with copper in dilute acid, so no fizzing. The third one is magnesium. Now hopefully you can see there's a lot of fizzing there. I put my thumb over the top. I'm lighting a splint out of shot, and hopefully you can hear that pop, a squeaky pop, because it's making hydrogen gas, so it's fizzing. The last one is iron filings. We've just used smaller bits of iron just to show you that there is a reaction, because you can see that fizzing again. Thumb over the top, back into the test tube rack, bring the splint over, no pop. Now all I want you to realise from here is that some metals will react with dilute acid, some don't. If they fizz, they do make hydrogen, but just not enough for a pop. So the zinc and the iron are making hydrogen, just not enough for a pop like magnesium.